Have you ever wondered what makes an animal a mammal? Well, let's dive into the enchanting world of mammals, a unique group of animals with some pretty special characteristics. Picture this, a kangaroo hopping in the Australian outback, a whale gracefully gliding under the ocean waves, or a bat fluttering in the night sky. These diverse creatures are all part of the mammal family, but what sets them apart from the rest of the animal kingdom? Now, you might be wondering, what are these characteristics that make an animal a mammal? So, what makes a mammal a mammal? Well, let's break it down. First off, all mammals are warm-blooded. This means their body temperature stays the same, whether it's a chilly winter morning or a hot summer afternoon. Secondly, mammals are the furry friends we love to cuddle. Whether it's the soft fur of a bunny or the coarse hair of a boar, if it's got hair or fur, it's definitely a mammal. Next, unlike our feathered friends who lay eggs, mammals give birth to live young. Lastly, mammals are known for their milk. Mother mammals produce this nourishing drink to feed their newborns, ensuring they grow strong and healthy. So these are the characteristics that all mammals share. But did you know there are different types of mammals? There are different types of mammals, can you guess some? Well, let's dive right in. Firstly, we have placental mammals. That's right, just like us humans and our furry friends, dogs. These mammals carry their young in the womb until they're fully developed. Next, we have marsupials. Picture kangaroos and koalas. These adorable creatures carry their young in a pouch until they're ready to face the world. Finally, we meet the monotremes. Think platypus and echidna. These are real oddballs in the mammal family because they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live babies. And there you have it! Now you know what makes an animal a mammal and the different types of mammals that exist. Isn't the animal kingdom fascinating?